What's up, guys? We are back in the Infiniti with the AC on full blast. Just double clutching this joint. But yeah, we're on our way to get a car wash right now. I haven't washed it since I got it, so I'm just gonna start messing with it this whole week. This last week I've been kind of busy, so we'll see how good we can get it to look. And I'll show you guys it after I come out the car wash and detail it up a little bit. I gotta get some gas too. Definitely had to get some gas first. I was on E. Just see how dirty this thing is. And here we are. You know, I had to do the old switcheroo. I took that off my Camaro so I can get a free wash every time. We pay like monthly fees of like $14 for the full-blown car wash. I will definitely be putting this back on the Camaro after. And there goes that beautiful foam run down the body. Let's get that open so we can see a little something going on here. Hopefully no body parts falls off. Oh, it matches my blue light. Oh, look, matches my blue lights. Those lights match my blue lights. Love this as a kid, bro. Oh, look at that leaking in. That's because that window doesn't like to stay closed, I guess. Oh, no. No. Luckily, I got that towel. Buff and dry, baby. Buff and dry me out. Woo, look at that. Looks so nice. Yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about. Blow all that dirt away. Uh-oh, red lights to match my blue lights. I like that. Sorry, guys, I really like those blue lights. And there it is, guys. Shined up pretty nice. Got the armor all on there. Did wipe the body down. Hold on, I want you to see this. See how shiny that carbon fiber is? Look how shiny that thing is compared to how it was. Rims are a bit lighter. Of course, seat is still jacked up, but the inside does look clean. It does look clean. Look at these doors. They're so iced down and smooth. Everything's clean in here now. Let's go get some pictures. Feels so much better, like already, like just shifting the thing and all that. Just after a quick wash, it feels like that much better. I think like cars know when they're getting washed and treated well, because they just react. Like, you get the best feeling, dude. I like that. Whew, smells good in here. Feeling good. AC blowing. Oh my God, it's nice. I'll drive this thing to LA. Look, everybody's looking. We got some lookers. That means they like it. And that's just about it for this wash today. Does look a lot cleaner, rides a lot better to me, honestly. However, thought about switching the radio out. I still might do that, but as for today, it's going up for sale. So that's that.